Hi everyone, Steph here from Handbagholic. Now today we are going to be taking a closer look at the Christian Dior saddlebag. Now welcome back my beautiful subscribers. If you are new to this channel and you love designer bags and luxury in general, then I've got a feeling you are going to absolutely love it here. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell down below. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you this Dior saddlebag close up. We'll see what fits inside. I will then show you the wear and tear of the bag because this is actually a vintage piece, so I can show you that. And then I'll be styling the bag with numerous different outfits to give you some inspiration on how you might wear and style this bag. Now, make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm going to be revealing whether or not I think the Christian Dior saddlebag is a good investment or not. Now, I have never actually owned a Christian Dior saddlebag before. I've never been too sure on the shape of the bag, but more recently, as I've been on Pinterest and Instagram, I've slowly started to fall in love with it. And I just got so curious. Then this one came up in this leather and colorway, and I just had to see what it looked like in real life. And as you'll notice, this one has the detachable strap here. I'll show you this close up, but again, a lot of the influencers are wearing it with this strap to kind of make it a crossbody bag, and I definitely think it really adds to the saddlebag. So thank you, Emma. She has actually kindly lent me this. This is her personal strap, it's not mine, so that I could see what it's like on the bag and show you guys too. So let's just take a closer look at the bag here. You have the top handle, and you've got the Christian CD logo on the side of the bag. Then as we come round to the back of the bag, you have a pocket on the back. You could probably just about fit a mobile phone in there, a small one, not a plus size. You have the flap on the front and the Dior hanging down there. This one seems to keep curling round the wrong way, which is actually a little bit frustrating. And since this is a vintage one, it's actually closed with Velcro. And then the opening of this bag. So it's almost like a weird saddle kind of opening there. It's actually rather big and roomy down here. Got a zip pocket on the back of the bag there to keep things safe. It's actually the same shape as this bag, like it's deeper on the right hand side than the left, so that's quite cute. Okay, so first of all I have a full-size Capucines purse from Louis Vuitton. I'm not confident that this is actually going to fit, but we'll try. It's not going to oh, you can close it, but it's kind of poking out there. So you can get a full-size purse, but yeah, I'm not sure this is the bag that you would want if you are planning to carry a bigger purse around with you. So now I'm just going to try this small Louis Vuitton purse that fits much better. This is the small zippy coin purse, and it fits quite nicely in the bag there. Next up, I've got my car keys here. Coin purse and car keys. You wouldn't fit a whole lot more in there, so I feel like this is probably a good shopping bag, you know, and you don't need to carry too much with you. A few bits of makeup, your keys and a small purse. Now, like I said, this bag is vintage and it has stood the test of time and it has been used a lot. So let's take a quick look at the wear and tear. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this, but the glazing on this handle here has started to come off on the side, but it doesn't look too bad. You can't really tell unless you're looking up close. Then, because the logo hits this part of the bag, it is showing, it is showing some wear and tear around that part of the bag. These look fine. I mean, this bends slightly and this keeps like folding the wrong way, but not too bad. And then you've got somewhere around the corners of the bag there, obviously where it's kind of been put down, but again, it's nothing too major, doesn't look too bad, and this leather actually looks really good, like it's held up and definitely stood the test of time, as in there's no like major scratches on there or anything like that. So overall, to say how much and how old this bag is, it still looks incredible. So now let's style this bag with numerous different outfits. I know that a lot of you love these parts of my videos the most, so don't forget to drop me a comment below and let me know which outfit you like the Christian Dior saddlebag styled with the most.
I try to make myself believe in all these better times that you say I needed. I know you're on my mind. And I've been trying to teach myself that being all alone is better than mistreated. But I'm still breathing tonight, believing I can make the right choice. I know my heart's still beating, I just need a way to make it past the light. 'Cause I'm still looking for a little sign of life, hoping I feel brighter on the inside. It's looking like we're gonna make a new start tonight. But I'm still breathing tonight, believing I can make the right choice. I know my heart's still beating, I just need a way to make it past the light. 'Cause I'm still breathing.
Now, I promised at the start of this video that I would reveal whether or not I think the Christian Dior saddlebag is a good investment or not. This one's been a little bit of a hard one, to be honest. I like the fact this is totally different to any other designer bag that I've got, but at the same time, I'm still not totally convinced on the shape. It's not that I dislike it, I'm just not too sure about that. And yeah, I think with these retailing brand new at over £2,000, they are a very expensive bag for this kind of crossbody style. I'd probably purchase a Louis Vuitton crossbody over a saddlebag. The one thing that I will say about this bag is, let me just take this off so you can see it without the strap. I think one of the best things about this bag are these straps. Which by the time you've put one of these in your basket and one of these in your basket, you are looking at about £3,000, if not more than that. But I think this strap is absolutely fantastic. It's a shame that the Dior Book tote bag actually doesn't have hoops, so you could use this strap. This is one of the only bags, I think there's a few more, but this is one of the main bags from Christian Dior that you can actually use this strap with, which is a shame because I do feel like hopefully they'll integrate more so you can use this strap with more styles of bag. But yeah, I do love it when people wear this bag crossbody with this strap, or decide to use it with this and have this strap dangling down. I really do think it adds a little bit of something extra to the bag. Now, because you are still watching, I know you are a fellow designer bag addict and you seem to really be enjoying my fun facts that I'm featuring in my videos now. So for today's fun fact, I can reveal it's not designer bag related, but my favourite hobby is swimming. I used to work for Speedo a few years ago, the swimwear brand, and I found my love of swimming again as an adult, and now I absolutely love it. So we are in lockdown in the UK right now, but fingers crossed we will be able to safely go swimming again soon. So drop me a comment below and let me know what your favourite hobby is. Thank you so much for watching this video today, but make sure you don't go anywhere because coming up next, I will link the video here for you and down below as well. I'm going to be showing you my entire designer bag collection of 22 bags. So make sure you don't go anywhere and watch that video coming up next.